So, as we have already told you that in addition to glucose, there are other monosaccharides also which are of real importance as far as their metabolism is concerned. You have already learned about fructose. Now let's move towards galactose, which is a very important monosaccharide you get from the dietary products. As it is written over here also, the major dietary source of milk. This is galactose coming mainly from the milk, from the metabolism of the lactose. Lactose, it is digested by beta galactosidase in the intestinal mucosal cells. Another way through which you can get galactose is through lysosomal degradation of complex carbohydrates. So there are two sources of major sources of galactose. One is the milk, that is you get it from the digestion of the lactose through beta galactosidase, and then the second one is the lysosomal degradation of complex carbohydrates. Then as you have seen in the case of glycogen synthesis, the galactose is also, for its metabolism, it also undergoes phosphorylation, giving rise to a galactose 1 phosphate through the enzyme galactose kinase. And of course, the donor of the phosphate here is ATP molecule. Then once galactose 1 phosphate, because of the phosphorylation of galactose, you get the galactose 1 phosphate. Once it's formed, it undergoes a exchange reaction in which what happened that glucose 1 phosphate, which has given the UDP glucose, it exchanges its UDP with galactose and you get UDP galactose. So actually what happened that glucose 1 phosphate through the activity of UTP is converted into UDP glucose complex, and this UTP glucose then under the action of uridyl transferase gives rise to UDP galactose. So this UDP galactose, which is formed because of this exchange reaction, then it will be used later on in different reactions as a part of the metabolism of galactose, which we will be discussing very soon.